Tyler's working on his bike here. Kind of a budget build. All the money's in the engine. But the rest of the bike's in decent shape. But it's starting to go back together, and the pipe was kind of crap, so he's cleaned stuff up, and we got a big dent. We're gonna see if we can remove that. Done it before on others, but I made take a expanding freeze plug, and I made this device, and I can put about 20 psi or so in her, and we'll heat her up, and she might leave a blue spot on there, but I don't think we really have to worry about that, do we? And we're gonna face this way in case it blows Mr. Plug out. One of them. See what we can get with it. Get her a little bit warm. Need to weld that up. Got a little bit of PSI escape, but see what we can get with her. Come on, do something. Gotten lesser. Still got too much of a dent still coming. Starting to push. Not as bad as it was. I don't know how much more PSI I can go. See, get the rest of this going. Oh yeah, oh yeah, there she goes. She bumped a bunch there. You're missing it, Ty. See that? Almost out. You're a penis. I mean a genius. In the crimped areas it may not, but they're gonna flow better in a big bump. Ha. There, she's pretty much out. Probably could have hit it a little bit right there, but at that seam it's going to be really hard for that to pop. This is the biggest area where you see them get dented. I think my 250s, well, he's got one there, but he's got one there, right there, that's right. Here and here. I must have fell on that side that time. All right, there you go.